Okay, in this video, we're going to look at uh, the way that you can do your wavelength drawing using Google Drawings. Now, I am not aware of you guys having any other access to Google Drawings other than the way I have it. Now, the way I have access to Google Drawings is over here in my Google Drive. All you gotta do is just click the little waffle button on your email, and it'll bring you and click on Google Drive, and it'll bring you to this screen. Obviously, your information is going to look a lot different. Now, I'm going to come over here on the left side and click New. You're going to see that Google Drawings still does not exist. What I have to do next is hover over More and come over here to Google Drawings. I'm going to click on Google Drawings. Now, when you get to Google Drawings, you're going to see this basic screen. Just like in the previous video, you're going to go to the line. You're going to click on Scribble, and then you are going to draw your line. Okay? Just like in Google Slides, you will also need to label your parts. And again, just create a text box. I'm just going to call this parts of my wavelength, if I can spell. Okay. And then, just to help it out, I'm going to draw me a little arrow. Boom. Okay. Oops. Just accidentally made another arrow. So you kind of see where you kind of need to make sure you click on this little arrow here when you're finished. That is how you use Google Drawings. You can also share it with me. There should be a button up in the top right, similar to where mine is located, where you can share that with me when you finish. Hopefully that helps you guys with understanding how to use Google Drawings.